How to make disease prevention videos without filming. Creating effective disease prevention videos without filming is now easier than ever. Thanks to InVideo AI. This powerful platform allows you to turn ideas or scripts into full videos using advanced AI-driven tools. If you're an educator, healthcare worker, or content creator looking to spread awareness about disease prevention, you don't need expensive cameras or a production team. With InVideo AI, everything happens online. First, you simply write out the message you want to convey. For example, highlight basic prevention techniques like proper hand washing, vaccination importance, or how to prevent airborne illnesses. Then, paste your script into InVideo AI and choose from templates that match the tone of your message. Sick! Whether it's serious, educational, or engaging. The AI will automatically generate visuals, subtitles, animations, and even suggest background music. The result is a high-quality video that looks professionally made. One of the best parts is that you can easily update or repurpose the video for different platforms or new health information. Want to include charts or infographics? InVideo has you covered. Want to add a voiceover? You can either upload your own or let the AI voice do it. The AI will ensure your visuals align with your narration, maintaining flow and clarity. Whether you're targeting schools, clinics, or social media audiences, InVideo AI ensures your disease prevention message is clear, engaging, and visually appealing. Make sure to check out the link in the description to get started with InVideo AI for free and begin creating your own awareness videos today.